Hey guys, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. iOS 26 is here with exciting new ways to customize your iPhone. From the lock screen to dynamic wallpapers and the brand new liquid glass UI. I'll walk you through the highlights and share some tips to make your setup look amazing. Section 1. Lock Screen Customization. Let's start with the lock screen. You can now pick from colorful wallpapers. You can also resize the clock, just long press, tap Customize, and drag the corner handle. Want a more premium look? Try the glass clock style, which blends right into your wallpaper. There's also the 3D spatial wallpaper effect. Choose a depth photo, tap the hexagon icon, and watch as the foreground and background move separately when you tilt your phone. And of course, there's the photo shuffle wallpaper. When customizing your lock screen, just choose Photo Shuffle, pick multiple photos, and decide how they switch hourly, daily, when you tap, or when you lock the device. Every time you wake your iPhone, you'll get a fresh look. Section 2. Home Screen and Liquid Glass UI. On the home screen, you'll find the new Liquid Glass UI. Long press and tap edit to apply styles like clear icons for a glassy effect, or tinted icons that match your wallpaper colors. If transparency makes text harder to read, just go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and turn on Reduce Transparency. You can also adjust wallpaper brightness with the sun toggle. And again, if you're using the Photos widget, enabling full color keeps your home screen lively and dynamic. Section 3. Extra customization tips. In Customize, use the small square handle to enlarge apps and hide their names for a cleaner home screen. Try custom app icons with a clean background to match the liquid glass UI, or enable increased contrast in accessibility for clearer text and icons. Pro tip: if you want to upgrade to iOS 26 quickly or even downgrade safely, you can use Tenorshare Reboot to manage your iOS installation. So that's how you can customize your iPhone on iOS 26. From clock, resizing and 3D wallpapers to photo shuffle and liquid glass icons. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you're customizing your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.